Welcome to a deep dive into the fascinating world of nonprofit business formation. Today, we will cover a critical element, often overlooked in its importance: nonprofit bylaws. But before we get started, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. To set the stage, consider this. In the United States alone, there were more than 1.5 million registered nonprofits last year. These organizations contribute an estimated $1.7 trillion to the U.S. economy every year. Yet, each and every one of these nonprofits started from the same place: an idea and a mission. But turning that idea into a functional, successful organization requires understanding the essential building blocks, like bylaws. Bylaws serve as a nonprofit's internal operating manual. They outline how the organization is governed, detailing everything from board structure to membership rules to voting procedures and beyond. So how do you craft effective bylaws? One size doesn't fit all, but here are a few critical components you must consider. Firstly, define your organization's purpose. This is your mission statement and should clearly articulate your organization's core aim and objectives. It will guide all of your activities and help ensure alignment with the nonprofit ethos of serving the public interest. Secondly, outline the board of directors structure. This should include how many members are on the board, how long their terms are, and the officers' roles and responsibilities. According to a recent report, the average size of nonprofit boards in the U.S. is 15, but this can vary greatly depending on the organization's size and scope. Thirdly, establish your meeting protocols. This includes frequency, how meetings are called and notified, quorum requirements, and voting procedures. A well-run board is key to a successful nonprofit, and clarity on these protocols is essential. Lastly, be sure to detail your amendment process. Bylaws aren't set in stone. They must be flexible to adapt to your organization's evolving needs. In fact, as many as 68% of nonprofits report amending their bylaws at least once every 5 years, according to the Nonprofit Governance Index. Nonprofit bylaws are more than just a legal requirement. They're the backbone of your organization, the guidebook for your journey. They articulate your mission, structure your board, govern your meetings, and provide a clear path for growth and change. Remember, starting a nonprofit is an adventure, a calling, a mission. And with the right understanding and application of bylaws, you are not just dreaming of making a difference, you're on the path to doing so. To get on that path quicker and receive first-rate help setting up your nonprofit, please visit legalregistration.com, or you can call our business formation team right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the way that nonprofit bylaws work? Do you feel that they are important? Leave your comment below and let us know what you think. Please also don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.